Hey guys, it's Robsy back with Paperless Humans. Welcome to another update episode for Noteful, where we'll go through everything you need to know in Noteful 1.3. We've covered stickers in iPadOS 17 for Noteful that use the text box. But stickers in Noteful 1.3 are different. The app has added a new icon for stickers on the toolbar. So now you can tap the new sticker icon to create a new sticker collection in the app. Go to the plus icon and then choose New Collection. You can then name this collection and the app will create an empty sticker collection that you can then edit to start adding stickers. Tap the plus icon and choose to add an image from photos. Once you've picked all the photos you want, add them to your collection. You can also add them from the Files app by going to the plus icon Once you've selected all the images you want, go to Open, and the app might prompt you to choose a collection you want your sticker to go to, but not all the time. The different sticker collections in your app collect at the bottom of the pop-up window, where you can switch between them. You can edit sticker collections to change their names and to delete the stickers you don't want in them. It is also easy to access your recently used stickers. To add a sticker to your notes, simply tap on it. Stickers are like images in Noteful, so you can resize and rotate them. Tapping on a sticker brings up a pop-up menu like the one you typically get for your images. You can create custom stickers from images and handwritten items in your notes. Select the items you want for your stickers using the lasso tool. Just make sure that it is picking up images and handwriting. On the pop-up menu, go to Save and choose the collection for your sticker. Save and tap Done to save your new sticker. Your stickers remain editable, so when you bring up a pop-up menu, you have an option to ungroup the items in your sticker, and then you'll be able to separate those parts and edit each individual item. So for example, you can edit the image in a sticker, or you can change your handwriting color under Style on the pop-up menu. The tape tool is now available on the toolbar as a separate tool. Before, it was under the highlighter tool. But now in Noteful 1.3, they've moved it to the toolbar. Another change to the toolbar is that we can rearrange the tools on it. We also have a faster way to bring up the customization menu for the toolbar by simply long pressing any tool on it. And that is all for Noteful 1.3. We hope you guys liked this video and that you found it useful. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you, Fantastic Human, for watching. See you in the next episode.